I think it's time for Shilpa to show us another cute eye look, right? To begin this eye look, first start with a primed and set base so the eyeshadow blends easier, then continue with a transition shade. Next, dip a fluffy brush into a bright reddish-orange hue and begin applying it into the outer corner of the eye. Blend it along the crease line because it helps with creating the desired eye shape and look. Add more eyeshadow to get more color payoff onto the skin, also to make the eye look much more vibrant. Use a small bristle brush to draw on a line along the upper lash line all the way to the outer corner. Sharply draw on a very thin wing across the outer corner and elongate it parallel to the brow tail. Go back with the brush and gel liner if you want the wing to be bolder and thicker. Use a more dense brush to blend the liner out and create a smoky wing type of situation. Disperse the product all the way to the mid-lid and make it look super cute. Use a dark brown shade as a transition in between the initial orange hues and the smoked out liner. Continue blending until there are no more harsh lines nor edges. Go over with liner once again to enhance the previously made shape. Use your index finger to slowly pat on some golden glitter flakies. Make sure to evenly spread them across the center of the lid. These glitter flakies just gave this whole look a new kind of direction. Use a dark brown pencil liner to apply onto the water lines. Use the denser brush to blend the hues onto the lower lash line and smoke it out. Add some shimmer on the brow bone area to highlight the brow. Onto the inner tear duct as well and add mascara to the eyelashes. There we go. A gorgeous and fiery eye look that we absolutely love.